Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, well then stay tuned and please subscribe and press that notification bell. Okay guys, in this video I've got an Asus Vivobook S OLED. I'm going to show you in this video how to enter BIOS configuration settings and boot menu option. So stay tuned guys. Welcome to FIXtastic Solutions, the channel for how-to contents. Right guys, let's get started. As you can see, this is a beautiful laptop. Anyway, in Windows, click onto the start button and restart your laptop. If your laptop is already off, then that's okay. Just follow this process I'm going to do now. So it's restarting. When the screen goes blank, then what I need you to do is keep tapping the F2 key now. So if it's powered off, keep tapping the F2 key as you switch it on. So keep tapping it guys. The logo will appear, Asus, and then as you can see, this key here guys, F2. So look guys, you're in the BIOS configuration settings now. So that's how you enter. You have to keep pressing the F2 key guys. So you've got options here if you want to change system settings or run system diagnostics. Right, what I'm going to do now is exit BIOS and enter boot menu option. So here goes. So just exit now. So as it restarts with a blank screen, keep tapping the escape key. Yes guys, keep tapping it and you will soon be in boot menu option. So let me zoom in. This key here guys. So we are now into boot manager or boot menu option. Okay guys, a quick bonus I want to show you is how to reset Windows. Keep tapping the F12 key when it's blank and then the Asus logo will appear. And then it will say please wait. So guys, F12 key. The F12 key will make you reset Windows, or if you've got diagnostic issues, or you can even enter BIOS and advanced options.